Hello everyone, I am Rohan Kumar. I am a third year student pursuing BBA from Trident Academy of Creative Technology, Bhubaneswar. Currently, I am an investment banking intern at inSAKE Solution. So, talking about what I have done during this internship, I would like to start with my training period. During my training period, I learned about ratio analysis, financial analysis, technical analysis, and I also learned about stock market, the basis of stock market, and what should we know about stock market. I learned about mergers and acquisition, and also private equity and mergers capital. So there were many topics that was covered in very nice manner. Once this was done, I also submitted many reports on equity research, industrial analysis, and report on mergers and acquisition. In fact, these was the time there there were live trading of Tata Motors stock, and that was submitted on technical analysis assignment. I felt what I got to learn in this internship and how to use it in real life. So once my training period was done, I started working on live projects. Live projects were completed. After my live project were completed, I have submitted 3 assignments. The first assignment was about doing financial analysis about almost 10 companies. Second assignment was consisted of financial modeling for almost 8 companies, and the last assignment was 8 reports on mergers and acquisition and venture capital. So that's how my life projects were completed. And apart from this, we also had a regular meetings on which we had to update the managers about the work we had done, about our progress. I guess these meetings added a lot to my communication. And also during this internship, I presented 3 presentations, which definitely improved my presentation skills. At the end, I felt like that this internship was a great learning, and it was an excellent platform for just increasing my knowledge but also enhancing my overall personality as well. So I would like to thank inSAKE Solution for providing me this opportunity, and also thanks to Mr. Sethi sir, as he was the one under his guidance I completed this internship. And thanks to all the managers for helping me throughout the internship. Thank you so much, inSAKE Solution.